cooking with Della. The food is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we will be making some fried butterfly shrimps. So you just want to clean them, take the shells off, clean the inside. And butterfly them like so. I'm just going to do a couple more. Get them nice and clean. Get all of that stuff out of there. The top and the bottom. This is a nasty one. Nothing but nasty. I'll bring you back when I'm done. You want to take some buttermilk, put that in a bowl. You want to put your skillet on, the cast iron skillet, and put it on medium heat and start your corn oil. So we will be putting some Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, some smoked paprika, some cumin, and some chili powder. You want to just start mixing this up inside of your buttermilk. I want to add some Sazon with no MSG and a little bit of parsley. I'm going to mix that together as so. The Sazon is going to put a little color on our shrimp. Those seafood tacos were so good from the other video. I'm going to put the link down the bottom. They were so good, I had to make some more shrimp. So let's get the shrimp. You want to take your clean butterfly shrimp, and we're going to pour that mixture all over. And we're going to soak these shrimps overnight. And we're going to fry them in the morning. So just let it soak up in there. It's going to be delicious. Just soak it all up in there. Then I'm going to add an air seal type lid on top and put it in the refrigerator. Now they're ready to fry. This is how they look out the refrigerator, guys. I'm going to fry them in the Atkinson batter. This is the Seafood Cajun Spicy Hot Breader. You just want to take it from here and put it in the batter. Now you want to start dropping them in the grease. For 1 minute until they are golden. You're going to take them out. These are jumbo strips. You want to use a deep dish pan. So you want to fry for about 2 minutes. You're going to put these in the regular Atkinson batter. I'm using a deep dish cast iron large pan. Fry for about 2 minutes and drain. Turn in between. Just Take them out. You can't even see it. That's how huge they are. Now that just looked beautiful. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And subscribe. I thank you in advance. And remember, health is wealth and we must take care of ourselves.
Never have you experienced cooking like Della's. It's so beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.